The Vivo X200 Pro Mini is a compact flagship phone that comes with a powerful Android processor. It has a flagship camera setup, a lightweight design, a big battery, and also supports wireless charging. Today, I'll be giving you a detailed review of the Vivo X200 Pro Mini, which was launched recently. Hey everyone, this is Maiky from techmaiky. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you don't miss any awesome tech videos. So let's check out the unboxing of this small phone. We open the box lid, and here is the Vivo X200 Pro Mini. It's a small phone with big features packed inside. Here's the 90-watt power adapter with a Type-A output, along with a Type-C to A cable and a SIM ejector tool. You'll also get a simple transparent case, and lastly, the user manual. Now let's unwrap this phone. Instead of plastic, it's wrapped in paper, meaning it's made from eco-friendly material. Here's the small Vivo X200 Pro Mini in white. The back of the phone is flat, and the frame is made of metal with a frosted finish. Both the Vivo X200 Pro and Pro Mini have frosted frames, while the standard Vivo X200 has a glossy frame. By the way, I've already uploaded a detailed review of the Vivo X200 and X200 Pro, where you can see the performance test, gaming test, and camera test. The video link is in the description, so make sure to check it out. Now, let's get back to the frame of this mini phone. Since the phone has a frosted frame, fingerprints won't show easily. The top of the phone is clean, meaning the second speaker is in the earpiece. The screen has a central punch hole for the selfie camera. The left side of the phone is plain with only antenna lines. At the bottom, you'll find the SIM tray, primary microphone, Type-C port, and bottom speaker. On the back, the LED flash is in the top left corner. The camera module is centered and rounded, with the Zeiss logo and T-Coding logo in the middle. This is the second generation of T-Coding, which helps produce amazing photos by reducing light reflection. I've already shown photo samples in my detailed review of the Vivo X200 Pro. The periscope telephoto camera is placed on the right side of the module. The phone is very handy, and in this mini variant, besides white, it also comes in pink. The pink version has a matte finish on the back and a light pink shade on the frame. There's also a blue color option and a black color option, but we don't have that one available right now. Let's start the phone, and it takes very little time to boot up. The phone has auto brightness on, and the local peak brightness goes up to 4,500 nits. As for the specs, it runs on Origin OS 5, which is based on Android 15. It's the world's first phone to run on Android 15. The processor is the Dimensity 9400, the most powerful in the Android lineup, with a max clock speed of 3.62 GHz and built on 3nm process technology. This time, the phone has a superb screen, similar in size to the iPhone 16 Pro, which means it's 6.31 inches. It's an AMOLED display with LTPO technology and a 1.5K resolution. For eye protection, the screen also has a 2160Hz PWM dimming feature. You can see the results here. The screen has thin bezels, as slim as the iPhone 16 Pro, though the chin is slightly wider. The phone is very comfortable to hold with one hand, and the edges of the frame are slightly curved, so it doesn't feel sharp. Now, looking at the camera, there's a triple camera setup on the back, including a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera. This is the biggest difference between the X200 Pro and the Pro Mini variants. The X200 Pro has a 200-megapixel telephoto camera, while the Mini variant has a 50-megapixel telephoto camera. You can capture photos with zoom levels from 0.6x to 100x, and the 100x zoom pictures are clear. You can also shoot HDR videos with it, but only the main camera can shoot 4K at 60 FPS HDR video. The HDR videos provide a nice contrast between light and dark areas. If you turn off HDR, you get support for 15x zoom-in videos, and the performance is very good and stable because of the powerful telephoto camera. The phone has a huge 5700 mAh battery, which is a new generation battery. Despite being so large, the phone weighs only about 187 grams, so it will still last a long time. The price of the Vivo X200 Pro Mini starts at 466.99 Chinese yuan in China, which is around £507 in the UK and $662 in the USA. The phone is expected to launch in the UK by the end of December. In conclusion, the display is outstanding, the processor is excellent, and it provides an amazing gaming experience with low power consumption. So, for users who prefer a compact phone, this is the best choice. So friends, what do you think about the Vivo X200 Pro Mini? Which feature do you like the most, and what price do you think it should have when it launches in the UK? Please let me know in the comments section. And friends, I will soon bring you a camera comparison between the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Vivo X200 Pro. So, to be the first to see the video, subscribe and join our tech team. We'll meet again with the latest tech updates. Until then, thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling.
It's the blast, sleepless nights and headache stack, restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll happen.